Suzuki Cappuccino, the tiny turbocharged roadster. Today, we're taking a look at one of the most iconic and adorable sports cars of the 1990s, the Suzuki Cappuccino. The Cappuccino was a K-car designed to meet specific Japanese regulations. This meant it had to be incredibly small and lightweight. But don't let its size fool you. This little car packs a punch. Under the hood, you'll find a turbocharged 657cc engine. This tiny powerhouse delivers 65 horsepower, which may not sound like much, but in such a lightweight car, it's surprisingly quick. The Cappuccino's rear-wheel drive layout and sharp steering make it a joy to drive. It's incredibly nimble and fun to toss around corners. One of the Cappuccino's most charming features is its detachable hardtop. With it removed, you get the full open-air driving experience, making it perfect for sunny days. The Cappuccino's design is instantly recognizable. Its rounded shape, pop-up headlights, and overall cuteness have made it a cult classic. Despite its small size and modest power output, the Cappuccino has a dedicated following of enthusiasts who appreciate its unique charm and driving experience. The Suzuki Cappuccino may be small, but it's packed with personality and fun. It's a testament to the fact that great driving experiences don't always require a big engine or a high price tag. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more car content.